What's up, YouTube? This is Cale Spafford with Southern Guys Do Walk Arounds, coming at you from Norfolk. I just wanted to show you one of the new 19 Rams, walk around it, tell you a little bit about it and the stuff that strikes me about it. It's a real nice, good looking truck. I grabbed a 2019 Ram Limited, and let's check it out. So this is a cool new color, Patriot Blue. It's got the 20-inch, real good looking, tough metallic 20-inch rim there. This particular one comes with the air suspension LED headlights, and they're adaptive as well, so they'll turn as you turn your steering wheel. LED accents. This particular one has the 360-degree camera right here, or 4 cameras all around. There's the first one in the front, tow hooks, chrome bumpers. Oops, there's the other side there. I love they put the new safety tech package on the new 19 Ram. So they now come with the blind spot monitor system right here as an optional feature. So this will light up when somebody is in your blind spot behind the truck. It'll also work in conjunction with pulling a trailer. Passive entry, so you just have to push the button to lock the door. Put your fingers in the handle to unlock it. And check out this key. It's a real nice quality, good looking key. It's got metal on it, feels nice and heavy. A bunch of cool new buttons on here. You can lower your air suspension just by pushing this button here. It'll make your entry and exit a little easier. If you look closely, you can see it lowering. It'll honk at us once it is done. You also have automatic tailgate for people that don't want to grab the handle themselves and open it. Just hit the button here. This aluminum tailgate, super lightweight. As you see, it has the suspension in there that makes it drop slowly. Got a nice bed liner in there. Let's close this tailgate. It's real lightweight. You can pick it up, close it. Real simple. I like the look of this built-in camera in the back and the handle there. Ram emblem. Got dual exhaust. It's got a nice sound to it here. Let's see if I can start it up here so you can check out the sound of that dual exhaust. Nice little grumble to it. Check this out. This is something that comes standard on the Limited. It has the side steps that are going to drop down when I open the door, automatic. This comes on the Limited package. So look at the clearance there. It makes it so easy for anybody to be able to step right in. Really nice interior. Super nice leather. This has the perforated holes in the seats, so they're air conditioned, they're heated and air conditioned. There's 3 different settings. I like the paisley stitching on there, your offset piping there, it looks real good. I love the interior of the Limited. This has a real wood grain all over. Steering wheel. All this is a real wood grain here. Wood grain. So you can see that. The touchscreen. Oh wow. That's a 12-inch touchscreen. As you see, you have your navigation up there, right here. You got your media, AM, FM, satellite radio. You get free ear satellite radio. Heated, cooled, heated steering wheel. 360-degree backup camera. Check this out. Oops. Oh, there we go. As you see right here, it shows you all around the truck in a downward view there. And then you can change your view. Front, back. Real cool. Controls, climate control. Keeps it real simple. Change all your settings. It has Bluetooth, of course. Hook up your phone, talk over the stereo, and also you can do a split screen. So I can have the navigation down here. Navigation down here. I can have my media up here. I can also hook up my phone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and have the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto up here, and then something else down here. You can pick it, customize it how you like it. Start it up there. This display is a real cool looking display. A nice look to it. And this is all customizable, so you can move all these icons around. Whoops. As you can see, top, you can make that like average mile per gallon. You can change this one around to like your fuel until empty, a bunch of different gauges like your alternator, that kind of thing. Same thing with this one and this one. So you get a lot of options to customize this. Another cool feature that the Ram now has is you have a panoramic sunroof. So this whole roof is a big glass panel right here. Show it one more time. Let me take a step back so you can see it. Super sweet. There we go. Check out the back seat. Got your back seats. These seats are heated and cooled for the back passengers, so they can get all the same comfort. Got your air vents, power inverter there. And the people that like have that little hidden compartment, Ram didn't do away with that. It's a removable bin. You can take that out, clean it out. You can put like ice in it, drinks, whatever you want. Both of these seats will come up. And you got storage underneath, so you can have a big flat storage area back there if you wanted. This one comes with the rubber floor mats. And this is something new that Ram just did this year. You can actually, so these things are blocking your view out of the back a little bit, so you can actually push that button and fold it right down. Same with the other side. Power back window. And what's really cool is they made this back seat reclining, so you can actually get in here. Oops. Recline this back seat, you can get a bit more comfortable in the back. And there's all sorts of cool little nice touches, like you got the leather wrap on the handles here. All the handles have a leather wrap on them. It's just, you can tell it's like really made to be a nice quality truck. And the sound system on this Harman sound system sounds real good. It even has a subwoofer back here behind the back seat. So that's about all I'm going to do today. Check it out. This is an awesome truck. I hope you enjoy the video, and catch you later.